Maybelline New York Express Brows. Let's try this. Powder on one side and then a pencil on the other. This is great because a pencil, I've always felt like it's great to fill in where you need like to mimic hair. So like right here, I'm a little sparse, right? So right in there. And then my tail end, I'm a little sparse too. See that? Now I have enough hair in here. So if you have a lot of hair, then you use your powder, take this off, and just kind of fill in. Oh, this is nice. This is very nice. Look at that. I'm used to using both, like a pencil and a powder. And this powder just looks really soft. It kind of just smooths everything out. The only thing that this is missing is a spoolie, the little brush to comb it out. But I have one here. So here we go. You can see the difference. Warm, it matches my hair. And then let's do this on this side right here. So I'm a little sparse in here, like I don't have a lot of hair there and not a lot of hair there. So that's where I'm mimicking the hair. I'm missing hair there. Oh, I do like this. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but see, I'll do this right here. So I'm using like the thicker part right here for this right here. And then the thinner part to kind of like edge out, draw that little line. And I also have hair missing here. So if you put a little bit like right in there. So wherever your hair is missing is where you're gonna put the pencil, and then flip it over and get your powder and set it all in. Wow. How long have I been doing this? A minute and a half. That is really nice for a quick makeup brow. Oh my goodness, look at that. I like it. Okay, so now you just have to remember that one end has, the rounded end has the powder inside, and then the square, like the flatter end, is for your pencil. So this is the Maybelline Express Brow. I have a spoolie, so you can just comb this through to kind of like wherever you feel like you did a little too much. And take a look. That looks really good. So my aunt purchased a soft brown because she's kind of gray hair, and my mom went with a soft brown as well because she highlights her hair. I use the deep brown. I think it has like 7 shades in it, but this is really nice. Let me know if you guys have any eyebrow questions. Eyebrows are the hardest thing to do on a woman. As a makeup artist, that's always been the hardest thing for me to fix on somebody. So I will always say, hey, let me touch up your eyebrows. If you don't like it, you can wipe it off. And yeah, most likely, most of the time they were like, okay, I like what you taught me, but eyebrows are really, they define you. They make such a big difference. So, I mean, it just frames a face. When the light hits you, you've got more definition. It fills in any of the light space in the eyebrows. Like, look at that. Totally framed my face.